Okay, day three, and we are back. Uh, Today is a little more structured than the last 2 days क्योंकि obviously हर दिन जब मैं कुछ post करती हूँ तो मैं उसके बारे में थोड़ा तो सोचती ही हूँ. As much as I try not to, and I don't want to get too deep into what I did and what I spoke and if it was good or not, all of that. फिर भी कुछ thoughts तो आते ही हैं, and so I have three things to share that I've realized just in 2 days of posting. पहली बात तो ये है, I didn't write it down, which is why I'm thinking about it. The first is it's just how much fun I'm having while I'm doing this. मतलब मुझे इतने मज़े आ रहे हैं कि मुझे पता है that this is what I'm meant to do in life. I don't know about YouTube, but I know कि ये बातें करना is what I am meant to do in life. I'm going to find the best source to do this, find my way of doing it. But I know that this is what I'm meant to do because isn't that what the whole point of finding your purpose is? Finding something that you enjoy doing so much कि आपको लगे ना कि आप काम कर रहे हो. So I know that this is what I'm meant to do. I'm meant to just find a way to express myself through conversations, through talking. And the reason why I'm so confident about this is क्योंकि जब मैं छोटी थी ना तो मेरे I mean I was a great student. Fifth standard तक तो सभी great होते हैं मुझे ऐसा लगता है. But I was a really good student. I was good at studies and I was good at extracurricular activities and I was good at sports. तो मैं हर जगह हर फील्ड में बहुत अच्छी थी. So when my parents would come for the parent teacher meeting, उनको बस एक ही complaint आती थी कि ये बहुत talkative है. That was the only complaint that my parents got. And it's so funny कि why is being talkative something negative? मतलब wasn't that the best opportunity for my teachers or my parents to understand कि ये इसकी skill है और हम इसे channelize कर सकते हैं in doing something that she'll actually enjoy. And I'm not going to fault them because the 90s was not that time where people would aware enough to understand कि जो जब बच्चे होते हैं और वो जिस चीज़ में सबसे ज़्यादा what comes very naturally to them is something that you need to hone. This is a very new concept जो हमें पता चल रहा है कि um, we need to find a way to find what kids are good at and then find a way to help them grow in that field. So that was a time in the 90s was a time where you had to fit the box of being a good student, and a good student is an obedient student. A good student is the one who sits silently when the teachers ask them to sit silently and express only when the teacher asks them to. So obviously they didn't know what to do with a very talkative kid, but imagine मतलब मैं जब 10 साल की थी तब तब भी मैं बात करती थी और शायद मुझे मज़ा आता था इसलिए मैं बात करती थी, और अब मैं 33 की हो गई हूँ और आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई एम शाइंग अवे फ्रॉम दैट. मैं 33 की हो गई हूँ और अभी मुझे रियलाइज हुआ है कि मुझे इतना अच्छा लगता है बात करना दैट दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई शुड हैव ऑलवेज डन. So yeah, this is something that I'm enjoying so much, and it's it's just me. It's just me and the camera, and the numbers don't matter, and the views don't matter. So I'm glad that I found this in me again. I found that spark again, and I found the courage to express again. So that's one. Uh, Second, okay, second is very interesting, which is जो भी होता है ना अच्छे के लिए होता है, और ये मैं बहुत डीपली बिलीव करती हूँ, स्पेशली इन द लास्ट 4 years. लाइफ में ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ें हुई हैं कि मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ है कि जो होना होता है वही होता है, और जो होता है वो अच्छे के लिए होता है. इन द एंड यू विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई इट वाज मेंट टू हैपन अ सर्टेन वे. तो ये भी जो है ना, ये जो चीज़ मैं इसके बारे में बोलती 2 दिन से कि आई एम नॉट एबल टू कनेक्ट विद दैट पार्ट ऑफ मी दैट्स फाइन, दैट इज़ रियली गुड एट आर्टिकुलेशन एंड एक्सप्रेशन. In a way I think it's a good thing that I'm not able to, because मुझे लगता है कि अगर वो पार्ट इन सिंक होती तो मैं यहाँ नहीं बैठी होती. मुझे लगता है कि मैं अपने आप पे इतना प्रेशर डालती कि if you're good at something then you better be good and you better find the right words to explain something, and I would obviously have made I would have made a structure to explain it. I would have sat down and would have had topics, or I think I would have done a fairly good job, but मुझे टाइम लगता. मैं वो एक पूरा हफ्ता वो प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करती. अगेन आई टोल्ड यू दैट परफेक्शनिस्ट माइंडसेट, it has to be good enough for it to be something that I present to the world. अब वो नहीं है तो वो प्रेशर भी नहीं है. The beauty is that I am creating this in pursuit of getting that connection back. तो there's no pressure. We'll figure it out. Even if it's not good, I'm telling you it's not good because that part of me is a little off. So जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. I think अगर वो पार्ट होता ना, आई एम टेलिंग यू, ये वीडियोस तो नहीं बन पाती, क्योंकि मैं आई हैव सच हाई स्टैंडर्ड्स फॉर माई सेल्फ दैट आई वुड बी लाइक नो, यू हैव टू मीट दो स्टैंडर्ड्स. अब वो स्टैंडर्ड्स ही नहीं है, अब वो कोई स्टैंडर्ड्स नहीं है यार. अब बस आके बातें कर रही है, वो मैंने इतना कम कर दिया है द बार ऑफ व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू, दैट I'm doing a good job. The point is just coming and yapping and letting it be not good, and I'm doing a good job with that. So जो होता है अच्छे के लिए ही होता है यार. I'm glad that it's happening this way, because I'm just, again, अगर वो, that part of me would have been fine. I don't think I would. I don't know. Maybe I would have had this much fun even while I was expressing or explaining something, क्योंकि शायद वही है. I enjoy doing it, but maybe I don't know if that would have been the case, क्योंकि फिर वो back of the mind pressure रहता है कि oh, am I doing a good job, is this good enough, are people able to understand what I'm trying to explain. अब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अब आप समझ लोगे अगर समझना होगा, नहीं समझना होगा तो नहीं समझोगे, ठीक है. That's not the point of this video, right? Or these videos, right? So yeah, this is in a way, it's a good thing. And I'm also the kind of person who will find a way to look at the glass as half full. तो मेरे लिए तो ये half full नहीं, full है, क्योंकि I'm finally doing this. I've overcome that fear of things needing to be really, really good, and I'm showing up. So that's two. And then the third thing is कि I've always put a lot of pressure on myself whenever I do something for others. मतलब जॉब पे भी मैं किसी और के लिए ही कुछ क्रिएट करती थी, राइट? इवन इफ इट वाज डेटा एंड व्हाटएवर आई वाज डूइंग एट माय जॉब, देन व्हाटएवर आई क्रिएट हैज टू बी वैल्यूएबल. मतलब कुछ उसमें इट हैज टू बी मीटी, इट हैज टू बी हैवी, लाइक लगना चाहिए कि वाह क्या काम किया है. एंड आई वुड ऑलवेज एसोसिएट all of my outputs with value. But in the last, so this if my younger version would see this is not valuable, this is just me yapping. मतलब मुझे नहीं पता कि ये किसी को कोई देख रहा है तो उसको ये valuable लग रहा है कि नहीं. In my head, from a few years ago, this would not be valuable, because what am I teaching? हाँ, teaching, what am I teaching, what can they learn from this, what can they take away from this, ये बहुत मेरे दिमाग में रहता है कि value is associated with something intellectual. Whereas in the past few years, I've realized, and I'm really trying to make this not something just part of my life, but of the part of life. Like, I'm trying to make this something that everyone understands and resonates with, is that fun is also a value. Fun is also a value. You can just have fun and think of that as a value. हम किसी चीज़ के we just so invested in, if we pay money we have to get something valuable out of it. And this is a very very Indian thing, middle class Indian thing for sure, कि मतलब पैसे पूरे वसूलने चाहिए. ठीक है, वसूलने चाहिए, हमें उस पैसे की जो हमने बहुत मेहनत से कमाया उसकी वैल्यू चाहिए, बट व्हाट आर यू क्वांटिफाइंग एज वैल्यू? How is fun not a value for us anymore? How is having fun not a value? We need to know that वो जो समय रैना का जो वीडियो था, जिसकी जो स्टिल अलाइव वाला जो वीडियो था, उसमें एंडिंग में वो बोलता है दैट द होल पॉइंट ऑफ लाइफ इज टू हैव फन विद योर फ्रेंड्स. द डेज दैट यू सिट इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर लैपटॉप एंड वर्क or give a presentation, that's the day that you wasted, and the days that you have fun with your friends is are the days that you've earned. And I don't completely agree with that. There is no day that's wasted, honestly. बट हमें ये थोड़ी डेफिनेशन चेंज करनी पड़ेगी वैल्यू की. फन इज अ वैल्यू. इफ यू कैन टेक अवे एनीथिंग फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो, आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू आर टेकिंग अवे, बट इफ यू कैन टेक अवे, देन फन इज अ वैल्यू यार. मजे करना इज ऑल्सो वैल्यूबल. तो मैं इतनी फिक्सेटेड थी इन द पास्ट. अगर आप मेरे स्टार्टिंग के वीडियोस देखोगे, इट्स ऑल अबाउट ट्राइंग टू टीच यू समथिंग, कि कुछ मैंने अपनी लाइफ में कुछ सीखा है, मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप भी सीखो. एंड मे बी आई कम बैक टू दैट. I shall definitely come back to that, क्योंकि as much as I just like yapping, I have so much to share that I would like to find a way to express that. Um, Yeah, but I was very fixated on the value being intellectual, or the value being you understanding something, or me being able to share something knowledgeable. In fact, I would look down on God. This is very profound actually. I would be like, यार ये क्या vlogging करते हैं लोग अपनी life के बारे में क्या दिखाते रहते हैं, like what is the value in that? I would judge them. And now my go-to videos that I watch, because I'm so tired of watching intellectual stuff. Seriously, मेरे को कुछ नहीं सीखना है, और सीखना है, धीरे धीरे सीखना है, बट ऐसे नहीं जैसे बम्बार्ड हो जाते हैं ना इन्फॉर्मेशन जब आप इंटरनेट पे जाते हो. बट माई गो टू वीडियोज आर फराह खान्स वीडियोज विच आर कंप्लीट रैंडमनेस, ठीक है, बिकॉज वो मुझे इतना gives me so much of pleasure to just watch two people talk about random things, or like Archana Puran Singh's family videos and Ari vlogs. Like these are the things that I want to go and watch. I don't know if they are really valuable the way that I had defined valuable, but these are the things that I seek now because they are comforting and they are fun. And so I think doing this is also rewiring that part of me which kept saying that whatever you create has to be valuable. No, it can just be fun. It can just be comforting. And if it's none of these things, then I'm anyway not doing that for the audience. I think when I was trying to create things from a mindset of valuable, I was trying to create for the audience or people watching. But now the thing that I'm creating now, and ये 30 days, it's not for anyone else. It's only for me. It's because I'm working through something. तो फिर वो मैंने वैल्यू का जो एट्रीब्यूट है वो हटा ही दिया है. इट इज़ व्हाट इट इज़. एंड ये सारे प्रेशर्स और ये लेबल्स और ये जजमेंट्स मैंने अपने आप से जो हटा दिए हैं. बहुत मज़े आ रहे हैं यार. बहुत मज़े आ रहे हैं. 11 मिनट हो गए. इतने मज़े आए मुझे बात करते करते. um, there's something that I'm working on now that I'm talking about value is I want to obviously start getting people to pay me. I'm a coach. मैं एक मैं एक mindset coach हूँ. I'm really good at my job. I'm very good at my job. Very confident about this. Okay, I'll come to this to my point more at the second. Let me talk about this first. कि again, I had this idea that if I'm a mindset coach, I have to be like serious. I have to like say things that really hit the mark. नहीं तो कौन आएगा मेरे साथ काम करने? You create an image of a coach, or you create an image of whatever your skill set is, or whatever your profession is. You create an image and people have to fit that box. And I thought that I needed to fit that box. अगर आप मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे जाओगे तो आप देखोगे कि उधर भी मैं कुछ ट्राई कर रही हूँ. Like it has to be like meaningful, and it has to be, as people have to take away some things, and कुछ कुछ videos तो बहुत bang on है. But I'm also this person. I think this is also the point of, this is also what I try to teach my clients ki this is essentially us, the free flowing happy people, and then we have jobs don't define us. Nothing defines us, but essentially who we are the people we were, or the kids we were at 5. And so we need to connect with that. And then on top of that, find those spaces where we can be responsible, or we can be an employer, we can be a parent, or we can be, you know, a friend. But essentially we have to come back to this, and I've been working on this. And if I don't show up as this, I will not be able to. How can I confidently tell people to show up as that? So ये भी एक, this is also something that I'm working. I don't know if I worked through it already, or I'm still working through it, but I'm showing up as a silly person who's just blabbering, even though she says that she's a mindset coach, and coaches are supposed to be a certain way. No, fuck that. Coaches are humans, and they've worked through things, and now they can help you work through things. So that is also something that this journey is helping me with. Wow, actually ना अभी मैं सोच रही हूँ तो ये सारे points मेरे दिमाग में आ रहे हैं. Great. Okay, coming back to मैं क्या करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. So obviously I want clients to pay me, right? As a coach, and I also do events. So I'm getting people to pay me for these events, these community meetups and all of that. तो उसमें ना मैं बहुत फिक्सेटेड रहती हूँ कि भाई जितना उन्होंने मुझे सो दिस यूट्यूब इज, किसी को देखना है तो देखे, किसी को नहीं देखना है तो नहीं देखे. मतलब इट्स ऑल आई एम गेटिंग फ्रॉम दिस इज देयर अटेंशन, एंड इट्स देयर प्रेरोगेटिव इफ दे वांट टू स्पेंड देयर टाइम विद मी और नॉट. बट अगर आप किसी से पैसे मांगते हो ना, तो दिस इज माई माइंड सेट कि किसी से पैसे मांगते हो तो बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लगती है मुझे कि अब मुझे इनको कुछ वैल्यूएबल देना है, एंड अगेन दैट वैल्यूएबल कम्स इनटू द पिक्चर। और मेरे लिए वैल्यूएबल क्या है, व्हिच आई एम स्टिल वर्किंग थ्रू, इज कि कुछ सम टेक अवे, समथिंग हैवी, समथिंग इंटेलेक्चुअल, सम लाइक वाव मोमेंट, समथिंग दैट रियली मतलब दे आर लाइक यार ये पूरा पैसा वसूल था। बट आई विल नेवर नो what a person takes away from an experience. I will never know what a person takes away with an interaction with me. I will never know what a person takes away with um, the videos that I create. मुझे कभी पता नहीं चलेगा, मुझे कभी उसकी इंटेंसिटी नहीं पता चलेगी, मुझे कभी उसका इम्पैक्ट नहीं पता चलेगा. I will want to create a certain impact, but I don't know if that has been delivered. I don't know if something completely different has been delivered, something even more profound, something that they needed that I didn't even know that they needed. तो ये बॉक्स जो मैंने अपने दिमाग में क्रिएट करा है, ये आई एम ऑन दिस जर्नी ऑफ ब्रेकिंग दैट, आई एम बीइंग कंफर्टेबल विद आस्किंग फॉर अ प्राइस that I think my energy and my work and my words are worth. Less to do with what value they take and more to do with what I think my energy is worth. And for me, when I talk for the next few videos, you'll understand कि मेरे सब कुछ energy ही है. मतलब it's less about the things that I say and more about the presence that you feel, the energy that I bring into a room or even through these videos. There are so many people that I watch. There's this female called Florence Given. माय गॉड, अभी मैं रिसेंटली उसकी वीडियोस देखने लग गई हूँ. लाइक वो बात करती है तो मैं, शी इज सो इन्फेक्शियस थ्रू द कैमरा. लाइक आई फील एनर्जाइज्ड व्हेन आई लिसन टू हर. सो इट्स ऑल एनर्जी. मतलब उसके वर्ड्स ठीक है, आई मीन words are also really good, but it's the way she expresses, it's the way that she's so comfortable being in her own, that I take that energy. And that's what it is, you have to be so comfortable in being in your own that people feel comfortable in being in their own and they take away from your energy. So what value do I get with taking value out of the situation, out of the picture? What I think my energy is worth is what I need to charge. And if people feel comfortable, they will be able to, they will buy those tickets, or they will come for those events, or they will pay me for that. And beyond that, it's what they want to take from that, or what they are meant to take from that interaction. ये जो है ना, मैंने theoretically तो आपको समझा दिया है, but अंदर अंदर there are these things that I have to still keep telling myself. So I'm working on that. Um, but yeah, that's where I am right now. This was a good one. Uh, not as bad as yesterday. I was able to express a lot of things, though still not as good as I can be. I know that. मैं actually अभी just before I sat down to create this video, मैं अपनी फ्रेंड को एक वॉइस नोट भेज रही थी और मैं उसको बोल रही थी कि भाई बहुत गर्मी है बॉम्बे में, एंड I just want it to rain. We need some. और उसके बाद जो वर्ड था ना, वो मुझे आ ही नहीं रहा था. और ये मुझे पता था, आई मीन इमेजिन दिस, ये मुझे पता था कि ये कोई वर्ड री से है, और उसमें कोई पी है, और उसमें कोई एस है. लाइक दैट्स हाउ क्लोज आई वॉज टू द वर्ड. आई वॉज जस्ट नॉट गेटिंग द वर्ड. मैं बोल रही थी लाइक क्या है वो वर्ड, एंड देन आई सेड इज इट रिप्राइस, विच इज नॉट द वर्ड. रिप्राइस नहीं है. एंड आई ऑब्वियसली फिनिश्ड द कॉल एंड आई वेंट ऑन गूगल, क्योंकि अब मुझे वो जानना था, मतलब अटका हुआ था. एंड इट वॉज नॉट रिप्राइस, इट वॉज रिस्पाइट. और मुझे ये पता है, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि मुझे ये पता है, क्योंकि वो मेरे दिमाग में था. द री वर्ड वॉज देयर, आई न्यू इट वॉज द एस और द पी, बिकॉज मैंने रिस्पाइट बोला. बट इट वॉज नॉट रिस्पाइट, इट वॉज रिप्राइज. वेट, इट वॉज नॉट रिप्राइज, इट वॉज रिस्पाइट. तो इतना, मतलब आई एम रियली, व्हेन आई से दैट आई एम फीलिंग फीलिंग दिस ब्लॉक, दैट्स व्हाट इज इट. लाइक दिमाग में वर्ड है, आई एम क्लोज टू इट, आई एम जस्ट नॉट एबल टू फाइंड इट, बट इट्स फाइन. This today was way better than yesterday, and slowly I'm going to get to it. And like I said, whatever happens for the best, and maybe one day it'll just be like pop, all everything is cleared and I'm feeling good again. uh, wow. I'm feeling a creative high जब होता है ना, कि क्या क्या किया यार, मजे आ गए मुझे. ये I'm feeling a creative high right now. uh, I'm so excited. I have no idea what I'm going to say tomorrow, but I'm so excited to show up again tomorrow. I don't know what the title of this video is going to be. Chalo, figure out karte hain. Okay, bye.